Welcome back everyone. Today we're diving into Rudder 9 and setting up patch management and drift detection. But first, what can Rudder do for you? Rudder provides patch management, configuration management, and compliance auditing and enforcement for your systems. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's the plan. We'll install a Rudder 9 server, enroll a Linux node, configure a simple package compliance rule, and see how Rudder detects drift when something changes on the system. We start on a fresh Debian 13 VM. First, install the GNU PG package and add the Rudder repository and GPG key. Then update your package list. Next, install the Rudder server package. Once installation is done, create your admin user. Now open your browser and go to https your Rudder server IP/Rudder. Log in using the user you just created. You're now inside the Rudder web console. Now let's bring a node under management. On your second Linux machine, add the Rudder repository, install the Rudder agent and point it to your Rudder server. Back in the Rudder UI, go to Nodes, Pending Nodes, and approve the new system. Once accepted, open the node. Here you can see its inventory, OS details, installed packages, services, hardware, compliance status, everything Rudder tracks. Now let's see how Rudder enforces compliance. We'll create a directive that ensures our node always has the package curl and htop installed. If they're missing, Rudder will reinstall them automatically. Go to Configuration Directives. Then on Packages, click on Create. Give it a name. And under Parameters, add the two packages. Save the directive. This defines what we want. Now we link it to a rule so Rudder knows where to apply it. Go to Configuration Rules. Create a rule or edit an existing one. Under Directives, click Select and choose the directive you just made. Assign the rule to your node and then save and deploy the changes. What happens now? Every time the Rudder agent runs, by default, every few minutes, it checks, does the system have curl and does it have htop? If not, Rudder installs them automatically and updates the node's compliance score. You can see the compliance result right inside the node view, including whether any changes were made. Rudder doesn't stop at packages. You can build your own techniques to enforce custom configuration. File contents, service states, permissions, cron jobs, environment settings. This is where real drift detection happens. Something on the node changes, a file is modified, a service is disabled, or a setting drifts. Rudder detects the deviation and can automatically correct it, restoring compliance. That's production-grade behavior right in your homelab. If you ever want to disconnect a system, in the UI go to Node Management, Nodes. Select the node and delete it. On the machine itself, remove the package. And it's gone. And that's it. You now have a fully working Rudder 9 setup with automated compliance, package enforcement and drift detection. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe and check the description for the full guide and commands. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.